the generator sets actually do have an impact against wind mitigation. But the problem with that is that when they go windbound, the entire terminal goes windbound. And they don't say, right, this section of the terminal is windbound, but we can still operate reach stackers and we can still operate overhead gantry cranes. That's the wind strategy where we need to call on the terminals to really start to emphasize, is you cannot shut the entire terminal down, keep those areas which are able to still functioning. And I don't see that happening. So that's a big area, part of our structure that we want to focus on with Transnet.
So we've spoken a lot about the wind problem. What is the actual problem? Is it when you lift the containers, do they swing? Do the people get?
Yes, that is the thing. So obviously, if you go onto a ship-to-shore crane, for example, all they have is cables that are deployed down to the I forget the name of those units that couple to the container spreaders. So when there's high wind and you pick up a container, the face of the container is obviously being moved front and sideways. So if you're dropping that down and it's swaying, you can cause quite a bit of damage.
Okay. This problem, the wind problem, must be happening in other countries, must be happening to our competitors in South America and to the Australians in some places. Yeah. How are they dealing with this? Same problem or
that's
what?
a really good question, because we do need to go and explore. I'm pretty sure Transnet must have done it. Some institutions have done it to go and to get examples. We heard them saying that most equipment that will be coming in now, the landside equipment, will deploy anti-sway type of interventions where it'll allow machines to go to a higher wind level. But I'll be honest with you, Louise, when you're in Cape Town and you're in that terminal, the wind levels are going beyond 100 kilometers an hour.
I
You can bring any equipment you like. You're not moving anything beyond 100 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.